Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am doing a Halloween broken doll type look. I'll post a picture right here so you can see it. And I'm just wearing my man tank right now, chilling in the morning, and decided I'm gonna do this broken doll look today. So I got a wig and I got some makeup. I don't have a bow, but I'll do something. And let's see how it turns out. I'm gonna do the eyelid part, which is pretty plain, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do the under eye, making it whiter with the eyelashes. I had to do a little wing, which is not my usual. I've been wearing big wings on my eyes since I was like 14, and I'm 35 now, so you can do the math. And let's continue. Alright, so actually I'm going to use these eyelashes, but they're bigger, so I'm going to do these bigger lashes. Next up is this NYX eyeliner I've had forever. I don't really have any liquid white eyeliner, so I'm going to go ahead and use what I got. Now time for the fake eyelashes, because I do not have any fake under eyelashes, so I'm gonna draw them in with my It Cosmetics Superhero Liner. Alright, so now it's time for the hard part, doing all the cracks and creases and all that fun stuff on my lips, and then let's finish it off with a wig. Now that I have most of the cracks, I am going to add the little white into it to kind of highlight it. Let's do it. I'm going to fill in the holes with my eyeshadow and just kind of darken it up really fast. Now I'm going to add some contour and highlights to kind of look extra plasticky. Added blush and highlight. Now I'm going to add this a lipstick, and hopefully it looks great with this shade. Now I'm going to put the wig on and see how it looks. So here's my final look. I'm not the best at wigs, so this is the wig I had. And just do a flower and a cute little pink outfit. Here's my broken doll look. What do you think? How'd I do? Did I do all right? Is it all right? Does it look good? Think it turned out nice? Especially with the wig, I love it. I don't know, it's really cute. I might wear this for Halloween, trick-or-treating or something. And yeah, let me know what you think. If you like this video, thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care, stay sweet.